In the heart of the jungle, where rivers flowed and birds sang, lived a young elephant named Elfy. Unlike other elephants, Elfy had a problem. She was very forgetful. Elfy the elephant forgot where she left her shoes, even though elephants don't wear shoes. Elfy the elephant forgot her friends' birthdays, and once, she even forgot where she parked her own trunk while playing hide and seek. The other animals teased her kindly. "How can an elephant forget?" They laughed. "Aren't elephants supposed to remember everything?" Maybe my brain's just a little more playful. One sunny day, the jungle was preparing for the big parade, a special event where every animal showed off their best talent. Elfy the elephant signed up to lead the line, but she was worried. What if I forget the way? On the morning of the jungle parade, disaster struck. A heavy storm started. The path through the jungle was blocked by fallen trees after a heavy storm. The animals panicked. "We'll get lost," cried the parrot. "We'll miss the parade." Every animal looked around, unsure what to do. I may forget small things, but I never forget sounds and smells. Elfy the elephant closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and began walking through a new path following the scent of sweet bananas and the sound of the river nearby. The animals followed, winding through the trees. Elfy the elephant led them safely to the parade field, right on time. From that day on, no one teased Elfy. Animals realized she didn't remember everything, but she remembered the things that mattered.
Didn't like my effort, she didn't like and subscribe? Kids, now it's time to learn some words along with the story. Repeat with us. Trunk.